Hello, green butterflies. We are on lesson 2.3, Model Taking Apart. We're working on the standard represent and solve problems involving addition and subtraction. Right now, we're specifically focusing on subtraction. That means minus. It says, use two color tiles, circles, to model the problem. Draw and color to show your model. Write the numbers and a subtraction sentence. You will need two color models for the two color counters for this. You might need to check next door with Teacher Julie to get them. It doesn't really matter whether you use yellow and red or black and white, but there are enough black and white for everybody, and there aren't enough yellow and red. So go ahead and pause the video while you go get those. Okay. It says, Jeff has 5 apples. So go ahead and get 5 counters. Now it talks about red and yellow, so I'm going to model with the red and yellow first, but in case you're using black and white, which you probably are, I'll show you using that as well. Jeff has 5 apples, so let's just get 5 and throw them down somewhere. 3 apples are red. So let's turn it so that 3 of these are red. The rest are yellow. How many apples are yellow? So we had 5 apples altogether minus the 3 red ones. So we're just going to ignore the 3 red ones to find out how many are yellow, because red doesn't have anything to do with yellow. So how many yellow ones are there? 1, 2. So we have 3 red apples and 2 yellow apples. Jeff has 2 yellow apples. Now, you could model that with black and white ones as well. Just throw down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and say, okay, I'm just going to pretend that black is red and white is yellow. And you can do it that way. And you'd still have 3 red, black apples and 2 yellow, white apples. So let's take a look at the next page. On the next page, you're going to have lots of problems where you have to pretend that the red or the yellow or the black or the white represents something other than it does. Let's look at this one. Subtract to find how many small cups there are. Mary has 6 cups. 2 cups are big, the rest are small. How many cups are small? So we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 cups are big. Since I've already got 2 that are black, 2 cups are big, the rest are small. So I write my subtraction sentence, 6 minus, or ignore, my 2 big ones, leaves me how many that must be small? 4. 2 cups are big, the rest are small. And you can see where they drew. They drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles, and they colored 2 of them. You can do the same thing. Let's try here. Use counters to solve. Draw to show your work. Write the number sentence and how many. There are 7 folders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 folders are red, so I'm going to pretend black is red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The rest are yellow. How many folders are yellow? So we had 7 folders, and we're going to ignore the 6 that are red. How many does that leave us that are yellow? Or in this case, white. That's right, 1, and we'll write our equal sign. 1 yellow folder. Now let's draw to show that. We can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 are red, so we'll shade 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see that of those, only 1 is left unshaded. there are 8 pencils. So I had 7. I'll go ahead and get 8. 3 pencils are short. Once again, I'm just going to use black for my first color. Whatever. So 3 pencils. The black ones are going to represent the short. So we have 8 altogether. We're going to subtract, ignore the 3 that are short to find out how many are long. How many are long? That's right. There are 5 long pencils, so we'll write it here too. And once again, we'll draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we shade the 3 that are long. And we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are short. Okay. Go ahead and do the next page on your own. Remember, you could go to the computer to have it read it to you if you need to. If you need help, talk to me as soon as I'm done working with the other group.